Hello and welcome to News Mobile. I'm Saurabh Shukla. I'm founder and editor-in-chief of News Mobile. I want to talk about the second wave of COVID that's sweeping through the country. In Delhi NCR, particularly in states like Maharashtra, they have been severely hit and we are gasping for breath. There is oxygen shortage of ICU beds, and also the health infrastructure is crumbling. What can we do as citizens? Number one, if you have any signs of COVID-19, do a teleconsultation first. Don't rush to a hospital unless the fever is really high or you have comorbidity. Do consult with your doctors, because hospitals, the administration, the infrastructure is already overwhelmed. Secondly, go and follow credible sources. Don't go by rumors. Get yourself vaccinated, because vaccine really helps in stopping hospitalization. I've been speaking to a lot of senior doctors. That's what they've told me, that encourage people to go out and get vaccinated. For those who are above the age of 18, make sure that you go out and get yourself registered and get yourself vaccinated from 1st of May. The third thing, follow a lot of links which are credible links. A lot of links are floating around on social media about people trying to share messages about oxygen suppliers, oxygen concentrator suppliers, also plasma donors. Go for verified sources. Only share them if you're very sure they're coming from verified sources, because you may be invariably wasting time of somebody who may need it at that time. So don't do that. News Mobile has started an initiative called Helping Hand. Please tweet to us. We will check and verify and then share it further. The other thing to know is make sure that you follow the basic protocol. Keep your immunity high. Keep on having things like vitamin C, zinc, and also in case you don't have to go out for any essential reasons, stay at home, because if we manage to do that, we will reduce the load on the health infrastructure, reduce the spread of this infection, because together we can fight it. And believe me, if you have that positive resolve, India can fight this wave of COVID, and all of you can make it happen.